Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the IELTS exam modules. In this video, we'll dissect each module: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, providing valuable insights into their structure, question types, and time management strategies. The listening module tests your ability to understand spoken English. It consists of 4 sections, each with different question types such as multiple choice, matching, and note completion. Effective note-taking is crucial for capturing key information. Manage your time wisely by previewing questions before listening and avoiding getting stuck on difficult items. The reading module evaluates your reading comprehension skills. It includes 3 passages of increasing difficulty, with question types like multiple choice, true/false/not given, and matching headings to paragraphs. Skim the passages quickly to get an overview, then focus on answering questions accurately while managing your time effectively. The writing module assesses your ability to express yourself in written English. It consists of 2 tasks. Task 1 requires you to describe visual information, while Task 2 involves writing an essay in response to a prompt. Focus on clear organization, coherent arguments, and accurate language use. Manage your time by allocating roughly 20 minutes to Task 1 and 40 minutes to Task 2. The speaking module evaluates your ability to communicate verbally in English. It consists of 3 parts. Part 1 involves answering questions about familiar topics, Part 2 requires you to speak about a given topic for 2 minutes, and Part 3 involves a discussion with the examiner. Speak naturally, maintain coherence, and elaborate on your answers. Practice fluency and pronunciation to convey your ideas effectively. Beyond understanding the modules, here are some additional tips for success. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and question types by taking practice tests. Review your mistakes and seek feedback to identify areas for improvement. Develop a study schedule and stick to it, practicing regularly to build confidence. By understanding the structure, question types, and time management strategies for each module, you'll be well equipped to tackle the IELTS exam with confidence. Remember to practice consistently and stay focused on your goals. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.